So I'm going to be showing you the solar lights that I just got. And I'm going to also show you a few tips and tricks on how I actually put them in the ground. Okay, so it comes with adjustable pieces, right? So you can see what length you like it in. And then here are the actual solar lights. Now just remember, before you put them in the ground, turn it on right here. See that? Right here. Look, press the button. And then adjust the side, the lighting that you want too. So it has 3 different modes. So just make sure you adjust this and watch so you can see how I actually put it on the ground. And I'm also going to show you how it looks at night too. All right. Okay, so let's talk about setup, because this is where I want to save you some trouble. Now, I am going to tell you, before you stick these in the ground, charge them in direct sunlight for a full first day, right? Then some of these, and the reason I say this because some of these actually ship with partial charge, and you have to like pull the tab on the battery and just make sure that the tab is removed or it won't charge at all. Now, when you're picking your spot, avoid areas with shade from trees, fences, or your house roof line. Even a little shade during the day can seriously cut down how bright these are at night. I actually walked my whole yard around noon just to check where the sun was hitting before I placed them. Now, when you push the stake all the way to the ground, make sure it is flush, because if it's loose or wobbly, a strong wind or your sprinkler system cannot get right off. And if you've got harder soil, twist it in slowly, or like I did here, use a mallet, you know, a rubber mallet, and it just goes straight in. And space them about 6 to 8 feet apart along your path. Any closer and the light kind of blends together. Any farther and you'll get dark gaps in between. But the first lighting I'm showing you here is actually right when the sun was setting, so you'll see that it's a little light outside, but the solar light started going on. And you also get 3 lighting modes. You get a soft ambient glow if you just want subtle mood lighting, a balanced mode for everyday decor, and a brighter mode if you actually need visibility. And what I actually have mine set up on is actually the brighter mode, because where I live is pretty dark, and these are amazing. Like, it helps so much. I haven't tripped or anything like that, and it gives me just the right amount of lighting that we need. So here's what really sold me: charging time. A full charge only takes 48 hours of sunlight, and once it's charged, I'm getting a solid 8 to 12 hours of light of it. Now, so basically dusk till dawn, no problem. Now there's a built-in light sensor too, so the second the sun goes down, these just turn on by themselves. 0 manual switching, which honestly, after dealing with lights you have to flip on every night, it is such a relief. You just set it and forget it. Overall, the price for an 8-pack, I'm genuinely impressed. I really hope this helps.